Okay, today we are going to be killing bosses. The new bosses. Yeah, what he said. But make sure to like and subscribe. I just hit 50. Thank you all. So yeah. So yeah, what he said. So let's get onto the video. So first boss we are going to kill is the Raptor. Oh, it's on first cam. Oh yeah, and oh guys, if my fan code is 18, my darn it, I just bought my only minigun I could afford. We can use my minigun, guys. We can use my minigun. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We could do that. Okay, let's go kill the Raptor. I'll wait for. Yeah, let's go get the pig sticks, level up, and do that stuff before we go kill the spider. Oh, a golden skull, guys. Yeah, me too. Guys, I'm gonna be climbing the walls. Okay, guys. Um, so yo. Oh, I just juked that raptor. So, did you guys eat those bone sticks? No. I didn't eat the medium. No, that's the large. That one is not the large. Yeah, I ate the large. He isn't here, but we are going to go transform into our flying dinos and go kill spider, yeah. Let's go kill the spider. Yeah, I'm at spawn. I'm at spawn, guys. I don't know where you guys are, but oh, but guys, I'm doing a giveaway in this code, so make sure to join tomorrow. I'll show them the code on my thing. No, it's this code right there. It's 17988. Yeah, it's okay. No. Yeah. Yeah, true. Yeah. But guys, make sure to like and subscribe and comment on my videos. Spider, great timing. Yeah, me too. Uh, so he's going to fish. Uh, no. We would have to get the. We would have to go get the mummy and that's put in there to for me to afford it because I only got 50 bones, bro. I'm brokey. What, this chicken? Now I got 170. 360. So guys, I'll show you how to get the. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to get the golden egg too. So, pretty sure there should be a knife somewhere, well, a sword, and you pick it up and you. It should. Wait, look. Is it right there? Dude, look. Look down here. Go get the sword. Look, bro. Behind, right here. Then you should already claimed it. Because you were supposed to climb up there. What the heck? Guys, I do not know what happened. Well, now Yes, that's satisfying. Wait, wait. Can you see my hands? Uh, Finger. Look at that. Yeah, you have to get the sword. You're yeah, I know where to hit. I'm going with them. Bro, I'm coming. Yeah, that's why we're trying to get you. Ah, I got in a web. Oh shoot, what the heck? I keep on dying. Guys, if uh let me find yeah, I could use this. I haven't used this in a while. We got some more. Oh, I got some more on it. I've been saving this. Stay up, stay up, stay up, stay up. What the heck? I keep on dying. I am using a flying dino, but I keep on dying for some reason. So guys, we're changing the video. We're just going to be fishing until we catch Chrono and kill him. Oh, not over there. Donna, I need more bones. Does anyone mind for the alpha fishing rod? If someone can afford it for me, can you buy it for me? Or the octopus? Oh yeah, wait. Let's go get the pig sticks. Wait, can you get me alpha fishing rod? Oh yeah. But yeah, can you grind bones for us? Yeah, I got 800. Well, for 1,430. If you guys can see that, and that subscribe button and that like button. Oh, I know where one is. I claimed it today. I'll show you. But but I need to get to like how much? So like 900 more. No, I need a fishing rod. Yeah, I'll show you. Come on, follow me. Follow me. It's at Pigland. I'm up here. I'm climbing to Pigland. Ah! No, I don't like to. I like climb with my new dino, bro. But guys, yeah. So now, once we get me a fishing rod, uh, so yeah, once we get my fishing rod, we will start doing a fishing video in this video. Yeah, we we can't really, but dude, where are you? You're right behind me. Yeah, yeah, it's right there, bro. Okay, I'm coming back, bro. This dude didn't get anything. Not being rude, but so I haven't made videos in a while. So I'm sorry about that, but yeah, I don't know what we're going to do. I just want to make a video with my friends, but yeah, I can afford a fishing rod now. Chrono killed you? Wait, Chrono's here? No, I don't get weapons. I get my 47, bro. I get my 47 out. Yeah, hop back in the water, Chrono. See what happens. Hop back in the water, Chrono. See what happens. Holy, he lowered me fast. He's strong. Yeah, buy crossbows. Oh, let me go get some. And I'm gonna be shooting him too. You're going to, you are going to be our sacrifice. Guys, guard him up. Yeah, because it's like a 1% chance. No, I want that. Oh, 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 oh. Mm-mm. fishing rod. Oh, an actual fish, not like a fish. Okay, guys, back to my lizard. My lizard's level 23. What? You caught a lizard? Wait, hold on. You can't hatch it yet. Wait, let me get on my dino. I'll bring you. Bro, 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 hop on, hop on. Get on my taxi. Yeah, yeah, get some food by the way. So yeah, now we are hatching an egg. Hopefully he gets green because I would actually want to trade him. Or the mother. Or the mother. But green's my favorite color. You should you, bro, I really want the green. So yeah, hop off. Is it hatched? Hop on. Wait, don't I can't climb that. I'm not a legend. What? Yeah. Oh, that's actually great, bro. Bro, I wish. Okay, hop off. Wait, give him mother. Give him mother. Index. Come on, guys. Do the knuckles. Do the knuckles. Knuckles. That's actually kind of cool, bro. That's actually kind of cool. You didn't get food? True, bro. True. Oh, shoot. Do you know how much? Do you know how much it costs? No, it isn't bounce. What's the max? Like, yeah. What? True. Bro, your lizard? Bro, your lizard is like the... If your lizard is actually like the... Bro, you should see my level 23! Come on! Come on, man! You know! Look, you should see my lizard. He's level 23 and he isn't that big. Look. Look. Mine is not even that big. And he's level 23. Mine is this small when it's really level 23. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Guys, help. Oh yeah. Like, and 17,000 nugs. Well, your lizard isn't the best. It isn't. Wait, flying fish? Flying fish. Yeah, he needs... Bro, I hate this spot. I have to swim over here. Well, climb. Darn it. Guys, for the flying fish, you don't even have to reel. No, shoot. My biggest fish? Oh, my biggest fish is like taller than me in real life. Never ever in your life did a baby Look, guys. Ready? Guys, I'm going to let the fish go. I believe I... Don't eat it. No eating. It's for my dino. Up there. I believe I can fly. Hey, don't eat it! I said don't eat it. I hate when that happens. And the hunter. And hunter. Guys, I believe I can fly. I'll come after I catch this fish. Okay, I got that one. Oh yeah, guys, I actually forgot I was still recording, bruh. I bet you guys forgot too. Yeah, but YouTubers really just do uh okay, guys. Who can wait? I'm pretty sure I can afford a minigun. Yeah, I can afford a minigun. Oh, yeah, it's too late. The raptor. Why not the spider? Bro, I killed the spider with 2 people. Me and my friend. I was using, we killed the spider with, I was using a minigun, he was using a slingshot. So, bro, guys. Oh, guys, I found another golden skull. Guys, I found another golden skull. On this tree, guys, on this tree. Bro, now I should just name the title Finding Golden Skulls for Nothing. Bro, I found another one. Have you claimed? What one? I haven't claimed this. Oh, thanks for telling me where it was. I didn't claim it. Hey, try to climb our walls. Chelidon. Chelidon. How does he get him? Oh shoot! I don't go to Dino. I don't go to Dino. No egg. Darn it. Yeah, that's okay. Oh, wait. Let me friend you real quick. Let me friend you real quick. Yeah, we can do Year King 101. It's an uppercase D, bro. It's D-E-E-R. No, only two R. The D and the K. I mean the D and the K. R. Here, I'll spell it. D-E-E-R-K-I-N. Okay, what do you want? No, 101. You got the red shirt, and I do not. No. Wait, Rabdo? No kidding. So, yeah. Uh, wait, we got. Holy! That's a big raptor egg. No, right here. I got it. It's a giant, and I got it. Wait, guys, we can. Okay, guys, let's hatch our raptors. I'm hatching my raptor. No, you're not eating the pig. Guys, I want to respawn. I wish they see ya. Or, or, I mean, or I'm, or, or, IP, Dear King 101. Okay, guys, uh, so, where's the camera? Okay, so, I will see you guys in a couple of days. So, I hope you love this video, and